Yo, it's your boy, Monkey D1.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. We're at my buddy Sid's shop. Got my brand new F80 right here.
No.
So today we got a third brake light for my diffuser on my car. Yeah, we're not using that. We got a clear one because we also got clear reflectors that also are brake lights. So I'm gonna have 6 brake lights. We also got my E92 M3 right here. It's mine, brand new, just got it. Got the blue wheels freshly put on there.
Like how people be wearing his clothes and shit.
Okay. Yeah.
It's something to do about that, right?
Uh-huh.
And he was getting on like a fucking monkey, banging on my door, breaking that shit down.
Hey, bro, pause.
Hold on, you filming right now?
What's going on with this car?
Are you filming right now?
What's going on with this car?
Hold on, are you filming?
Yes.
Yeah, hold on. You gonna have to.
Listen, Christian is doing such a great job filming. We gotta remove this trim piece right here, and we gotta get access to the brake light wires. But we also gotta take the top part of the back bumper off so I can access where the wires are going. Hey, bro, Brennan said that she wished she could come with me here. So you gotta take these out, these little plastic trim pieces. I just be tossing the hose to the side. On God, get yourself a $40 toolbox from Walmart. I'm not sponsored, but you need a Phillips in. Then put it in here. You start twisting this hole, and then when you get it out, I just kind of set it in there so it's safe. Get the other one out. Hey, repeat that on camera.
Once you get famous, you start getting more money. Pay this nigga Christian be your filmer, bro.
Fuck is he talking about, bro?
What is he talking about? As he's filming,
Hey, you the filmer,
free
bro. Don't
labor.
ever put the camera on yourself, bro. You don't eat, you don't sleep.
Oh
You
God,
just film, alright?
it's me and whoever I'm telling you to put the camera on.
Yeah, don't be flipping.
But I'm the one with the tripod and my phone.
That is not
Okay.
a tripod, that's a claw grip.
It don't matter, boy. We give you content. What about you don't film by yourself?
Me.
And how'd that go? Did you hear me? I said, how'd that go for you? That one YouTube video he made a long time ago.
Boring.
We're just talking shit. We love Christian, sort of. So you gotta take these bolts off. I've already done a tutorial on how to take the bumper off. So like, don't pay attention to this. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna unclip this top part so we can access the parts of the bumper that we're putting the lights on, so we can run the wires up through the rubber housings into the back trim area where the brake light wires are. You got it? Hey.
I can upgrade and then not change my bill.
I have to unscrew the carpet because I bolted the side of that through the carpet into the bumper to secure it so it wouldn't come out. That bitch isn't coming out, that's why I can take the bumper off. But I can unscrew the carpet and then I can access the bolt enough to touch the bolt and just unscrew it this way down here. Time for a lobotomy. What if I actually drilled in your head just now? Alright, so I gotta get a drill because these holes right here, you see it? Those holes right there for the mounting points, which is these two things right here. But I gotta get those through, so I'm gonna drill a little baby hole next to it. We're gonna hope. Oh, there's nothing behind it. We're straight. We're just gonna full send it right here, right? You think so? That shit is not doing anything, Sid. Oh my God, it's just scratching it. Sid, this isn't doing anything. Damn, you know what's crazy is this didn't come with screws for the reflectors, so I'm supposed to use the screws from the other reflectors, and I don't have the reflectors because we didn't get the reflectors with this bumper. You got random screws? Am I about to just 3M this whole in? I got 3M too. I also got Gorilla Glue. I bet you it needs to be a little bit bigger, don't you? Yeah.
Tip's too big. A little loop could work, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, kids, always put your tools back where you got them from. What do you think? This one?
Yeah, this is about right.
I mean, too big can't hurt, right?
Might do a little damage.
Crazy is this isn't even the hard part. The hard part is the actual wiring. I don't even know where the hole is. Yeah, that's a hole right there.
It is in. Just smooth as butter.
Alright, so we just got crazy glue because Trevor, you see him? Trevor, payment clutch, brought the glue. So because we don't have the screw, we're gonna go the point of no return rack. We're gonna glue this shit. And we're gonna glue it in place. Should I wire it before I glue it? Nah. How do you even do this?
Why does that shit look like lip balm?
Trevor, how do I do this?
In their own world, bro.
I can just mute this.
Well, actually, I lied. I have heard stories like that.
Crazy glue didn't work. Next best thing. Gorilla glue. There you go. Let it sit there.
Like
so what
here
he's doing
in the parking lot?
What he's doing right now is he's trying to figure out. We figured out the daytime running lights. We figured out the brake light. So now we're trying to figure out which of these hose go to those hose. Put the ground on that.
Hey, look. Look at this light right here. What the fuck? I saw a light tripping up in front of me, behind me. Look.
Oh, it's that third brake light. Hold on.
The fuck?
The burger.
That's actually
crazy.
funny.
Wait, hold on. But does this turn on? Hold on. Do it again.
I don't think. Nah, probably
The
not.
light up top turns on though.
Oh yeah, I'm touching the wrong one. My stupid ass.
Yeah, because you were just putting power to it, weren't you? Do I need to press the brakes for to see if it's gonna light up?
Well, we can just see if it will just power on. I hate doing fucking wires.
Yeah, but you haven't grounded it, so it's not gonna power on. That's what I'm saying. Put it on that bolt right there. The bolt right under your
You
leg.
put on the boat. I can't do both at the same time.
That is brake.
Yep.
This is a brake light.
Yes, sir.
Let go.
But hold on. So that's daytime running light. What'd you have it touching? Here, hold on. Somebody press my brake light. Trevor, go press my brakes.
See, is that what you're talking about? Like, there's a little connector for each wire. You can just pinch it.
Yeah, theoretically. And then you like clip it onto the wire, and it
Yeah.
stabs the wire.
Yeah, stabs the wire.
to get the
both together,
connection.
yeah.
So how did you fucking... I used to be able to do this.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Tryna-
What are you doing? No, nigga. What are you doing? You gonna cut that shit? It's the top one, bro.
I did. I put in the top one first. What made that shit look so easy?
He works on fronts every day. You don't.
It's the goal.
You just gotta cut that wire, bro.
The whole wire.
That's not what going to need.
Realistically,
For something.
because look.
Huh? It's okay, that fading just popped up.
So that's turn signal is top left. That's daytime running. This is brake light. This must be that extra one.
You want me to break?
No. I know which one's brake light. So bottom left is daytime running. Bottom right is brake light. Top left is blinker. Top right is so far nothing. So I wonder if the white wire is neutral. Like it's a neutral color. White is a neutral color.
Goes down there while I was
So we figured out that black is ground, clearly. Red is the daytime running light because we want those to be red. White, we will make the blinker. It was blinking white, right? Yeah. We will make white the blinker, and then we'll use green as the brake light just to put it somewhere. I just snipped the wires off of this. This is for an Accord. Don't need that shit. We're going to use this, plug it into the third brake light, and when we run that up, splice these wires into the same said wires. So cut these wires so we can splice them into the exact same ports, black being ground, yellow, I presume red is red, because I think black, red, and white all stay black and red always stay the same.
Yeah, they do.
It's the other colors that are like a little whatever it is.
Black and red is what I can remember. It always powers
Right.
the
Yellow,
product.
I believe yellow is probably... This is probably the brake light then. Daytime running, brake light, ground. I think we got it. Now we just got to figure out how to do it. I'm trying to figure out how to strip it enough to expose the wire without A, pulling the wire out, and B, cutting the wire. But the thing is, if I stick them up in there, it's not guaranteed that it's going to stay on there. Like, well, theoretically, I could push it down into here, into this one.
Gorilla glue.
Hold on. Let me try this.
You could
Well,
just
I was
trim
gonna...
off these little pieces and just.
But that's the thing. How am I supposed to trim it off without sliding it off? That was the predicament I'm in. Because these are thicker wires. I'd rather do it on these wires, but like,
You can just use this right here.
Oh shit! Was the car rolling? Yo.
Right here, just splice it one side, the other side, and then with the knife, just cut in the middle. Little cover
to
off.
do a really sketch stripping.
Redneck wiring.
So we said this bottom one was. I want to remove this right here so I can see more. I don't want to cut all the way through it. Whatever. I'm just gonna shimmy it up a little bit. I just wish I could just fucking shove it up in there. Cause I can. I wonder if I connect this ground and I like solidify this ground, if maybe the ground not being solidified is what was making it flicker like that. And then if I just electrical tape it, it should never move.
You good with that?
Let me solidify this ground.
Yeah.
I can always extend this. Yeah. Was there ground on that side too?
Like a
No,
bolt?
it's all connected to this. Well, there's a bolt right there I can use. Plot twist, my keys were already in the car and the daytime running lights are not on. Why is this not on?
Blown tire? What?
Up, total.
We need a tow truck.
Are they on?
Nada. Working. Do it again, do it again.
Dude, they're just not turning on.
I thought you had it working before. What happened?
I don't know. Now my daytime running and my brake lights aren't working at all.
That means you wired something wrong.
I haven't wired anything yet. That's why I'm confused.
You said that side's not even working?
This side's not even working, dude.
You must have blew a fuse, bro.
How do I know which fuse it is?
Use the wire tester.
Yep. Look at Christian, boy. Yeah.
Would help if I did it the right way.
Oh.
Yeah, it'll work. I already recorded on my phone.
I'll do that.
Cameraman.
Yeah, but every time I ask this nigga to play Fortnite, he'd be like, oh, I don't want to, I'm not. The other day I was on.
What happened the other day has nothing to do with today. These through here. I don't know. I think the bumper back. The reason I hadn't yet was because I didn't have the wires ran through, but I kind of want to run these wires through real quick too, so I can just put the bumper back on and only have to deal with that. Now I'm trying to think. I'll probably, since I'm running it into this same wire, run it through that same rubber gasket. I just got to get it through. On the box on top of my car, there's a 3M thing that says Yofer on it. Now, do we trust the Yofer brand or do we trust whatever
Yofer.
brand this is?
Yofer sounds like Yoshi. Currently sticking it down.
After I've done the speeding through and trying to figure that out. Hey, bro. Everybody put in the comments to fire Christian.
No, I need it. I need.
Bro wants to get famous as the cameraman for Camry I.
Hey, camera people do get more clout. Okay, that shit does look clean. Hold on, back up. Back up. Yeah, that does look nice.
And then once I have clear tails, now let's think. This can go ahead and get plugged up to here. Yes. We need to unbolt this bolt a little bit, enough to put both grounds under there. We said this was brake light. I'm gonna wait to do the yellow. You can stop recording for a second.
People gotta see what they gotta wire, bro.
I feel like I don't need electrical tape this to the ground. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere.
Alright, bet.
Alright, so after deductive reasoning and blowing a fuse, we got it figured out. Green goes in bottom left, red goes in bottom right, white goes in top left, and black goes to a ground. That gives us daytime running, brake light, and turning signals. That's all we need. Now time to figure this shit out, put it back together, and hope that it all holds in place.
You bought another GS.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna drive one.